In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your Bluetooth is not working on your Lenovo branded device, whether it's a tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, select additional troubleshooters. And then scrolling down underneath find and fix other problems, select Bluetooth, find and fix problems with Bluetooth devices, and then run the troubleshooter for that. And then make sure your devices are discoverable on your network before proceeding here. And then hopefully once you get to the end of this process, your issues with your Bluetooth should be resolved on your Lenovo device. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.